CC-Link IE Field Network Connection Guide for High-Speed Counter. High-speed counting of data in a remote location. When closely located, a control device can be directly connected to the high-speed counter module. When remotely located, running multiple signal lines requires time-consuming wiring tasks. Utilizing the network enables stable pulse count in a remote location with one cable. Now, watch the operation explained in this video. This control system is configured with a network master station and a remote station that counts pulses. If pulses are continuously input, the remote station counts the number of those pulses and then sends the count value to the master station over the network. The system configuration, installation and wiring, setting, and operation check are explained. System configuration. This is master station configuration. In the system, a CPU module with built-in network interface is used. The master station controls the network. This is the remote station. The remote station receives pulses and sends the corresponding count value to the master station. Installation and wiring. As shown, only one Ethernet cable is used to connect modules. Insert the connector until it clicks into place. This completes the sections on system configuration and installation and wiring. Please watch the setting video next.